You having trouble figuring life out today? Once we get stopped, I'll help you, man. You're all... Poor guy. Bits cents. Just making a stop here. I think we're just outside of Bakersfield, or just north of Bakersfield, California. And we made a stop. I'll find out what city this is. But what we have here is what appears to be part of an old column with a historical marker. Let's see. Okay, so it says this is the site of the Gossamer Condor flight. This plaque at Shafter Airport commemorates the world's first man-powered flight to complete the Kramer Circuit August 23rd, 1977. The circuit, a figure 8 around 2 pylons 1/2 mile apart, was completed in 6 minutes 22 seconds. The plane was designed by Dr. Paul Macready Jr. and flown by Brian Allen. A cash prize of £50,000 was awarded by the Royal Aeronautical Society, London, England. It would be neat if they had an example. You could come in and see one of the pedal planes. That took a long time to get one of those pedal planes up in the air, though. 1977 was the first one. What's that funny event they hold somewhere every year where they build like boxcars that are supposed to fly, but of course don't, and they just go into the water like that, you know? No. Those pedal planes are pretty cool. We are going to stop here and have lunch, I think. 81 degrees today. It probably just looks muggy to y'all, but boy, it's been a while since we've hit 80. Sweet. All right, get some lunch. You know, the campgrounds and the national parks and any of the nice places in the woods in California are fine. I'm absolutely just starting to hate California. The only rest stop with a dump station within 400 miles here, I picked 99 instead of I-5 for this dump station with water. Completely shut down, closed, no dump station, no water, and this is the first time ever we are actually at a rest stop that does not allow overnight parking at all. That was kind of strange. So you can see all the semis leaving. It doesn't say how long you can stay here, but you can't even overnight park at the rest area in California. I don't know. I kind of bummed. I think we'll see. We're gonna talk. We'll see. Why do you hate RVs so much, California? You're a joke. Here in Tulare, California. And I just checked all the city ordinances. Couldn't find anything banning RVs from the city, so probably gonna find a truck stop or an open lot. Look at this huge plane off the highway, though. We're kind of looking through the fence here, but it's called Preston's Pride. Will my camera fit through here? Oh, ha-ha! Yeah, look at those guns on the front. 4 engine. That's a huge plane, actually. Wow. And another fighter jet there as well. There's a lot of airports around this area of California. That's cool. Gonna go grab a lot, and then we'll kind of regroup, decide what we're gonna do here. All right, it's getting dark, guys, but we are parked here in an approved spot. Got confirmation from a local, and also found this place thanks to freecampsites.net. It is a gravel lot for RVs and trucks to overnight for one night across the street from an actual RV park. And it's gonna work for the morning. Gonna get a fresh start and just cut this video right back in the morning, actually. Want to point out that big antenna right in the middle of your screen there, up on a pole, which is aimed out that way, out east towards Bakersfield. You don't see antennas just randomly in the middle of a gravel lot, so I decided to put my antenna up, and then I rotated around in the same direction, did a channel search of my own, and as you can see, inside my RV on my TV, getting some free TV there, watching some Modern Family currently, but was shocked. I'm getting 117 free HD over-the-air channels parked right here. I have never anywhere in the country in any other city gone over 100 free channels. That's crazy, right? Cool. Neat. I mean, we're gonna watch some Netflix actually Angela and I found out that Planet Earth, the one I liked from nearly 9 years ago, there's a Planet Earth 2 with 8 episodes now available on Netflix, and it's fantastic, guys. You have to check it out. If you're interested in nature and animals, check out Planet Earth 2. But anyway, I want to cut this video off and get back with you in the morning, so check back in right now. And just like that, good morning. Now, we may be seeing some rain and thunder today. Angela and I are looking for a place to eat, and nothing screams come eat some awesome barbecue like a freaking plain restaurant. Is that cool or what? Pitty's Barbecue. Alright, stop playing copyright music. There you go, you can eat right inside of a plane. Yeah, just starting to rain out there, so we're gonna eat inside. Here's the cockpit of the plane here. That's pretty unique, pretty cool. So chicken, chili beans, and potato salad. Jax, I brought you leftovers. Yeah, actually that's probably too much for you. I'm gonna give you a little bit, okay? He's like, no, I'll take the whole thing, Dad. The whole thing, Dad, I'll take it all. How's that? How's that, guy, man? Excuse me, I believe there's a whole plate of that. It rained the whole way here and then stopped as soon as I got off the highway. This might be a tourist spot, but it says Bravo Farms. Remember, I was at one of those somewhere else in California several weeks ago. Quirky, old stuff. Also says Vintage Cheese Factory. I think we should go check it out. It was over 80 degrees yesterday. Interested to see what the bike looks like underneath the cover. Like, is the freeway dirt and water getting all over the bike and just caking inside like the dust of the roads? I don't know. Real quick, I want to point this out to everybody for RVers out there that boondock. Yeah, don't mind the poop right there, but what we're looking at is this faucet right here. Guys, do not ever drink from this. The water itself may be drinkable, and just because it's green does not mean it's safe to drink. See that white pipe right there? That is an irrigation style pipe not meant for drinking. So the process they have to get that water from there to there is highly toxic. I would be very mindful anytime you see water like that. Would not drink it away from the buildings. That's only meant for like gardening and watering, not safe to drink. Angela's over here all excited. She found a fruit stand. Wow, oranges.
Trader Joe's oranges.
Whoa, popcorn too.
$3 a bag. That's really good.
The sign says open during construction here, so they might be doing some stuff with the little town museum. Whoa, it's got really warm right here all of a sudden. And there's some signs. We're in Traver, California. Yeah, that's an old Coke machine there. And wow, very old coin-operated toy here too. All right, well, we're gonna go check it out. This sign says, welcome to the second happiest place on Earth. All right, we'll see about that. They have this little outdoor area here outside the little gift shop. But what I'm more interested, this huge treehouse. Huh. You guys already know I'm going up here. It's like for hobbits and tiny people. Wow, we're in there, guys. We're in there. People have signed their name all throughout the treehouse. Wow, this goes up really high. Yeah, I gotta say it, quirky. Gotta say it again, quirky. All right, I finally made it to the very top. You can't get any higher than this. I'll peek out the window here. Oh, a long way down. I like it. I like it. What's this? Oh, hey there, guy. I really like the effort they put here. They have a little gun arcade area here. This one is pretty neat. Cool. And a petting zoo? Yeah. What's going on there, dude? Looks like you're about out here. I can't help. I know, but it's empty. Did you see? I can't. There's none. I can't. They didn't refill it. Don't give me that look. I can't help. Hey. Hey. Is that pretty good? Hey? Yeah, is that pretty good? Okay. This is why it's called a vintage cheese factory. Pretty old. Right now they're just packaging up some cheese. Mmm. You can see something kind of funny from the highway. I'm here at Public Park. I mean, really original. Public Park, that's what it's called. This giant water tower, of course that palm tree is gonna block it. Hang on, go walk to the other side here. I feel like I gotta stand back so you can at least see the shape of the teapot itself there. That's pretty cool. It's a fun little city here in Kingsburg, the historic Kingsburg Jail. This way. Oh, cool. There's another shot of the teacup kettle thing up there. Look how the ivy, or whatever you call this plant, runs up the wall. It's cool. A funny little mural here outside the jail, making an escape there. I like that. Let's take a peek. Wow. Look at that big black rat on the bed back there. Weird. Sorry guys, it's locked, can't help you out. Johnny Cash in there? And this is the warden's office in here. They have to put that note that says firearms are not real so that people won't break in. That's sad. There's some old iron keys hanging over there too. Huh. Cool old jail. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna cut this video short and go spend the rest of the afternoon with Angela, and we're gonna find a place to camp. And if you're new to my channel, I share my travels with Jax and I on the road. If I happen to be traveling with someone else, that's their life. They may be in the video if they want to be, or you might not see them for a whole day. I'm talking about Angela. In case you don't know, she does have a YouTube channel and an Instagram account. She keeps them updated periodically just for fun, not into it like I am, and she's not here to be promoted or to be famous by association here. She's just here to share life on the road with Jax and I. So I'll put some links in the video description of her channels if you guys want to subscribe to her YouTube or Instagram. Otherwise, I'll be back with you guys in a couple days. Bye-bye.